'n paar groot gate hierso. Ons is besig om reg te maak vir hom. Kyk net hoe maklik.
Stand up. That's what you're gonna get from the original product. There you can see it's a 26 kgs. We just stuck it down with the rubber and the two blocks are together. This is how phenomenal the original product is at the end of the day. One stroke, boom. That is one stroke you have right there, it's gone. It's what you're gonna get the whole time. I'm gonna just to show you the rubbers, how easy it is. There's a metal roof. You see the screw is gone there. I'm gonna flip it around so you see the other side. You just brush it back. If you need to seal out a section, plug the hole a bit more. You can see it's like a thick, and you can get it into that sections very easily.
So gate, né? So jy het letterlik dit om so te maak. Né? So. As jy gat nie. Hy gaan nie inreën nie. Daar's nie 'n wy nie. Daar's nog 'n gat. Boom. Een strook.